Okay, this is our marble run. This is where the marble starts. Goes down there, down here, down here. This is a switcher that sends it one way or the other. And then the switcher now is switched so it'll go the other way.
And then
It goes down here, up here, rolls back down.
Here's a detailed view of the thingamadoodler.
Now from the switcher over here, it can also go the other way. Over there, down where Lucas is showing, down a tipper. Here is a detailed view of the tipper. Down that ramp, down there. Oops, there's a little windmill it can flip.
A detailed view of the balance and windmill.
Down there and out there. Lucas is going to put a marble in.